Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Vince Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MSA Home. So today naman, ang ini-discuss ko sa inyo is yung promo natin para sa mga legacy projects. Okay po. Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So, for this video naman, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung yung mga promos natin para sa legacy project. So, this promo will run starting, naturally nag-start na siya nitong January, first week of January 1 hanggang January 31, okay? So, this one is until January 31, 2025. So, alam ko most of you narinig na ito, pero this one, kakababa lang kasi ito the other day. So, ito, ang kagandahan nito, may dalawang options kayo. Okay, so, sa first option natin, pwede natin i-avail si China Bank promo na yung 5% down payment over 6 months and then yung 95% makukuha na through bank financing, through China Bank financing. Pero ito pong promo na to, this one is first time na nangyari po ito na ganitong kalaki. So, this is what we call also a Christmas promo din na in-extend natin hanggang katapusan ng January. So, this one is for this time we will give 20% all-in special discount. Okay? So, napakalaki. So, first time ito. So, ito, selected projects lang po ito. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin yung mga projects na to. So, let's start with Alea Garden Residences. So, this one is in Parañaque. And then, followed by si Cypress Hill. Okay? Si Cypress Hill, this one is in Taguig. Okay? Malapit ito sa Acacia Estates natin. Then, sa Land Gardens, sa may Mandaluyong, East Ortigas Mansions, sa may Ortigas Extension ito. And then, East Raya Gardens, this one is Mercedes, Pasig City. And then, si Illumina Residences, ito is sa Manila. Okay, si Mireya Residences, kasama rin po ito. Sa Santolan, Pasig po ito. Si Mayfield, okay, this one is in Ortigas din, Ortigas Extension, malapit ito sa may Santa Lucia. Okay, and then kasama rin po natin ito si Rhapsody. Okay, si Rhapsody sa may bandang sukat po ito. And then, si Riverfront Residences sa may Canyugan, Pasig po ito, along Dr. Sixto rin. Okay, sino pa ba? Si Tivoli Garden, kasama po ito sa may sa Mandaluyong po. And then, kasama rin si RPR, si Royal Palm Residences. Kasama po ito, this one is in Acacia Estates. And then si Vista del Lago, and then si The Redwoods. Si The Redwoods naman is sa Fairview. And then lastly, kasama rin si Willow Park Homes. Okay? This one is in Laguna. Ito yung mga house and lots natin doon. And mga lot area natin doon sa Willow Park. Okay? So, again, this one is first po na ganitong kalaki yung special discount natin na we are giving a 20% discount, okay, on selected legacy projects natin, okay? Ngayon, and then ang pinaka-promo nito is with the minimum down payment po of 10% over 24 months, okay? And then yung remaining na 90% balance through bank financing. So imagine niyo for example, if you'd get a unit that works at around 6 million, 1 million agad ang maliles noon, di ba? So ngayon, if you want to know more about this promo or a sample computation, just send me a message po. Nandyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen. Again, selected projects lang po ang dito, ang applicable po dito sa promo na to. So, kung meron kayong desired project na nagustuhan na pasok yung promo natin to, pwede natin i-avail yung promo na to. And also, pagdating sa availability, so since this is a legacy projects po, very limited lang po yung mga available units natin dito. Okay, so I suggest kung meron na kayong nagustuhan, grab nyo na agad yung opportunity kasi minsan lang po magbigay tayo ng 20% discount. Okay? Yan. So this includes may discussion po for our current promo natin. Okay? So thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube ay ma-notify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.